What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be smashing Mr. Hulk. Man. Country road. Hulk, 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 Ow! Now I get why the strong Hulk is him. Mr. Big Guns here. Yeah, back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, 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 back up. Oh my God! Hit it with a plow. Probably would work a little better since I have a plow. Get ready. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I just was literally flying. Oh, that's a big hole. Take me, go, my car. Let's do this with Mr. Big Rig. Saved for Mr. Big Man. By the way, click on the link in the corner that I'm gonna put. It's like in the corner. In the corner. What the? Well, I don't not accept that. This Hulk right up in your big fat head. I don't know how we're supposed to explode this. Don't put the tank. I did it last time. See if he can do it again. How? This is gonna be real. know what? We need another tank. It's an oi. It's an oi. So, tell me how this is related to... Oh yeah, see, this is why they don't put fast cars. Let's get a couple. Okay, we'll take this first one. Oh, lolo. It's too fast, you can't even control it. So you're not fast enough? Cars are barely going. Don't touch it. I see him. You gotta get back in him. You gotta get in now. Alright, this will be the last floor, and then we'll take a pause and that is super great. Yay! Yeah, I think I fixed my block. This whole go. Wee on the way to jail. Flail, I don't know. I forgot I had the train. Yeah? Okay. part out of trains. Oh, Among Us character. Let me make his backpack. I don't know what this is supposed to do. Yoink, 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 yoink. Wait. What would happen if I just did this to the hook? Sand. It's not like things. Slap. Yeah, my place. Sloppy Pete, Rev. I stopped it. God, I had all my stuff. Just say, oh, I know. It's coming up. Hey. And the video. And subscribe. Peace.